COVID blunder. Most Jamaicans say the government erred in reopening entertainment during the pandemic. More findings in the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. COVID cases at the Savannah Lamar Hospital trending down. And dismal. Resumption of face-to-face classes hinges on delayed Pfizer vaccine shipment.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how will you remember former NAJ President Edith Allwood Anderson? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.